Welcome to section 3.4, and this is the last problem that I said I will be posting. Oh, in this problem, like when you read the problem, it's asking us to find the height of the cable at a point 100 feet from the center. So I kind of drew the suspension bridge, and let me explain how I filled these numbers in. A suspension bridge with a weight uniformly distributed along its length has two twin towers that extend 75 meters above the road surface and is 400 meters apart. So actually these are the two twin towers. Okay. Now the height of the tower from the road, this is the road. The height of the tower from the road is given to us 75 meters. Okay, and the distance between the two towers is given as 400 meters. And that's what the information from the first sentence I'm taking. Okay, the cables are parabolic. We can see that it's a shape of a parabola, and are suspended from the top of the tower. So this is the top of the right tower, and this is the top of the left tower. So the cables are suspended from there. Okay. The cable touches the road's surface at the center of the bridge. So we are going to keep the center of the bridge. Here is the origin 0, 0. So that is the center. Okay. Now the question is asking us to find the height of the cable. When your x value is 100 meters. So in other words, I need to find the y coordinate. X is 100. I need to find what the y coordinate is. Okay. So in order to do that, the first step here is to write the equation of a quadratic function. Now, we are just taking the leading term in here because the shape of the graph given to us is of the form y equals ax squared. And the x squared term says it's a parabolic function. So with the first information given, because I already know with the information given that this coordinate is 200 comma 75, because the distance between the two is 400. Therefore, if this is the origin, the distance from here to the right would be 200 and to the left would be 200. So from here, if I'm measuring the distance, the x value, it is 200. And I know the y value is 75 because it is given that the top of the tower is 75 meters above the road surface. So with that information, I'm going to plug in 75 here and find what the x value is. A value is. So A would be 75 over 200 squared. Therefore, A is equal to, use a calculator and find it. I'm getting 75 divided by 200 squared. 0.01875. Okay, so with that information, if I write my function back, my function for the rest of the problem is y is equal to 0.01875 x squared. So this is the model for the rest of the problem. And now the question is asking me to find the y value when x is 100. So plug in 100 in the place of x, 100 squared. And then when you simplify, it would be 18.75 meters. And yes, that's the answer for this problem. So the question is asking us, find the height of the cable at a point 100 meters from the center. The answer is the height of the cable is 18.75 meters, which is this Y value. I hope you all understood. Any questions, please bring it to the class.